Referee to again. Avery, committee, tulong ka. Ay, mag-meet ito. Tulong kayo.
CR pa ako eh.
Committee ka rin ka?
Oo.
Committee yan si Avery.
Bago ah.
Bitayaw, pre. Tapit.
Kala ko side kiss.
Sob! Kala ko din side kiss eh. Sabi
Uh,
niya.
voice over. Light. Tumira. Not good. Nakay ko yung light jersey. For 3. 3 points. 3 points. Timon. Black jersey. Nagmakabalang bola. Light jersey. Pinasa sa kampe. Pull up jumper. Perimeter. Not good. Light color. Nagmakabalang bola. Nagmamadali.
First game to, pangit.
Pinasa kay light color. Pinasa sa kampe. Pull up. Not good.
Third time nila.
Not good. Nakuha ng team.
Late pa ako ng late natin.
Binalik kay number 28. Number 28. Not good. Light ball.
Just waking up in the morning.
Light jersey. Pinasa kay light jersey din. Tumira ng tres. Not good. Nakuha ulit ng light jersey. Light jersey. Foul. True free throw. First shot, good.
Makakabuhin ko sa except pa niya.
Second shot, not good. Count. Counted ba, ref? Counted. First free throw by number 18, Auristero. Not good. Pinasa kay number 28, Gregorio. Pull up. Not good. Na kay number 18, number 9, to white jersey. Try steal ni number 16. Number 16, nagmamadali. Number 16 to na-steal ni number 18. Pass to white jersey. White jersey, nagmamadali. 2 points. Go. Start. Pinasa kay number 16. 2 points. Left side. Ay, right side. Number 18. Number 18. Mga dali. Bababa ng bola. Behind the scene. Number 28. Out of bounds. Like ball. Pinasa kay light jersey. Nagbababa ng bola. She's trying to play. Pinasa kay number 18. Pull up jumper. Not good. Nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. To white. Black Sando. Black Sando. To number 28. Number 28. Tumira ng tres. Not good. Light ball. Light ball, nagbababa ng bola. Light steal ni number 16. Number 16 to Black Sando. Black Sando, lays it up. 2 points. Light jersey, foul by number 28. Oras natin ay 13 minutes and 15 seconds. Score natin ay 9-4 lamang ang left side light jersey. Number 9. Number 9. Grabing Fury step yun, pero hindi na convert. Pinasa kay number 16. Lays it up. 2 points. Light jersey. Pinasa kay Kuya. Ang tangkad ni Kuya. Behind the back pull-up jumper. Not good. Nakuha number 28. Number 28. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7. Nakuha ni. Light jersey. Light jersey. 3 points by number 18. Black Sando to number 7 for 3 points. Number 9, tribunable, Galvez falls pass 2. Walang number. Pass 2. Kuya rin. Wala. Nakuha ni number 28. Rebound the ball. Number 28. Take a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya Black. Ay, kami pala yun. Pero wala. Nakuha ng kalaban. Team point. Oh, turn around. To 19. 18 pala. Pump. 2 points. Number 16, pass to number 7, fake, dribbles to number 7. Number 7, pass to Idol. Pero wala na ako ni Queen na White. Pass to kampi niya. Cross the court. Floater. Wala na ako ni number 16, cross the court. Pass to Queen na Black. Take a shot. 2 points. At lumulong pa. Oh, Titing Manalili, pass to number 18. Wala, nakakuha na, kampi niya. Pass to, sa mid, take a shot. Wala, nakakuha ni Idol. Long pass to number 7. Number 7 takes a shot. Easy 2 points. Number 9 giving the ball pass to Kuya. Floater, 2 points. Five, 6, 7. Number 28. Pass to number 16. The rest, wala. Na-rebound na. Kalaban. Take a shot. Wala. Nawani. Number 9. Number 9 retreats to number 18. Takes. Last 30 seconds. Number 28. Take a shot. Wala. Nawani. Idol 2. Number 28. Nakuha ang bola. 15 seconds. 30, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Running.
Change court.
Nag-stop lang tayo. Nag-stop lang tayo. Stop. Running. Yung letter E sa'yo, lalo na pag next game, next kalaban na yung A. Dapat sa'yo
Next
class.
game yan? Okay.
Magtulungan mo na kayo din. Kaya kayo magkakaroon yan.
Laro na naman, sir. Mapuna ako. Tatayo na lang ako dito hanggang mamaya, sir.
Number 9. Slash. Wala. Nawani. Number 16.
Sab.
Ako?
Substitution left.
Light.
Team Light, wala siyang light. Substitution po, wait lang.
Ganda tong pwesto natin, napapawid sa spread balik tayo.
Ayun nga, sabay sakit na.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Score natin ay 16-13 in favor of team left. Number 18. Oh, drop pass to number 9. Laid it up, wala. Rebounded by Balion, pero wala na. Kalaban pala. Yun na. Cross Balion, bounce pass, same ball daw. Sabi niya ref. Pass to, at nakagaw ni Balion, saved by Balion. Nakuha ni number 9, Galvez. Pass to number 18, 2 points. Connection. Number 9 at number 18, Galvez and Ostero. Number 7. Pass to 2 points. At ito na halaman ng team right. Number 9. Pass to Kuya. And nabitawan na bola. Pass to Kuya. Attempt. Joke lang. Pass pa Leon. Number 7. Retreat. Pass to. Bounce pass. To Idol. Then naka-block. Wala na wani. Number 18. Ostero. Pass to Kuya. Floater. 2 points. Use the board. Classic. Number 16. Marion, attempts a shot. Wala na wani. Number 28. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Use the screen. 2 points. Number 9. Ay, 8 pala. Number 18. Dribble skills. Takes a shot. Wala. Gandang shooting form. Number 28. Oh! Yan talaga. Number 19, 80. Pass to number 2, Marion. Pass to Idol. Number 18. At wala na kalaban. Yun. Alam mo. Cross the court. I pick up to number 7. Number 7 takes a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Galvez. Give it the ball. Cross the court. Bounce pass to Idol. Oy. Foul by number 28. Two shots. First shot. Good.
Ay, one shot lang yan.
Ako counted eh. Counted.
Ako,
Oo, call counted.
Counted pala yun. Grabe. Number 28. Takes a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7. Pero nag-agawan buwo at na-retrieve ang bola ni Queen Abdullah. Pass to number 7. Number 7 takes a shot. Wala. Nakuha ni Galvez. Pass to Barion. Inaliwa pa. Pero walang foul. Number 28. Pass to number 16. Number 16 takes a shot. 3 points. By San Francisco.
Nagpapanggap.
Ma-license ka na.
Number 28. Oh, init po. 2 points. Grabe naman control yun. Number 18. Waralay. Pero wala. To number 28. Gregorio. Pero nagawa ni Galvez. Natabigan lang pala. Bola ng Team Ray. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Score natin ay on 23. Lamang ang nakakaalam
Nagani. Galing ah. Number 7. Takes a shot. Wala. Nagani. Idol. True Barion. Ole. 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 2 points. Take a shot. Number 7. Attempts a 3-point shot, pero wala. Putback, pero wala pa rin na. Nagani. Barion. What about? 3 points! Kuya naka-block. 3 for the ball. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pero wala na ako ni Galvez. Ay, joke lang. Yostero to Galvez. Galvez. Perimeter shot, pero wala na ako ni Barion. Back pass. Ano ka? Si Titing Manalili? Yun lang. 2 points. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Right. 25-30. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Okay, wait lang, Gia. Jones, Louie, Rancap, si Jairus, si Latrilla, saka si Sir Art. Light color. Light color. Next game. Prepare for next game. Light color, si Jones, Louie, Jairus, si VJ, at si Sir Art. Light color. Thank you.
Last 40 seconds for this game. Okay, kuya. Okay. Number 18. Subarion. Subarion.
Pare, third pala.
2 points. Naakaw ni Ostero. 2 Galvez. Wala. Naoli. Number 16.
Okay ka lang dyan. Okay, magpasab ka kung kailangan ha.
Sir, gusto ko ba ito sa maglaro?
Countdown. 6, 5, 4, 2.
I mean, subject.
Hindi, ayoko. Mas gusto ko ito sa maglaro. Magla ko.
Last shot!
Ayoko na. Ayoko na, Sir BF. Nag-walking ako papunta dito. Kala ko di ako lalaro eh.
Basta tayo kumilip yung laro. Mamaya, bahala na. Basta next year after. Video.
Patay ko na, Sir. Patay ko na ulit. Tapos open ko ulit.